My friends, today we will look at some word problems that we will use Punnett squares to figure through. So this is page 2 of the worksheet that you got from yesterday's assignment. So yesterday we worked through page 1, and today we'll work through page 2, and I'm going to do number 1 alongside with you right here, right now. So looking at it, you'll see at the top of the page it says Punnett square problems continued. Complete the following problems. You need to list the parent genotypes. You need to draw and fill in a Punnett square. And then you need to list the offspring genotypes and phenotypes. Okay, so let's go ahead and get in there. For number 1, it says a homozygous. Now let's remember homozygous. Homo means same. So homozygous means it's going to have the same kinds of alleles, either dominant or recessive. Okay, so it's either capital B, or lowercase b in this problem. So homozygous, dominant, so capital B, brown mouse, so I'm going to have 2 capital B's. I'm just going to write that down as a little reminder to myself here. This is, that's which one that is. Capital B, capital B. And then, so a homozygous dominant brown mouse is crossed with a heterozygous brown mouse. So heterozygous means they're different. So that means it has to be a capital B and a lowercase b. So capital B, lowercase b, or big B, little b. So we're going to cross them, and they tell us that tan is the recessive color. So now, what we need to do is first list the parent genotypes. Let's do that up here. We've got this parent here. We've already done it here just when we were taking notes, but here I'm going to actually say it's big B, and big B, little b. Those are parent 1 and parent 2. Okay? And then we're going to draw and fill in a Punnett square. So let's go ahead and do that here. Where did I leave myself enough room anywhere? We'll do it right here. Funny. Okay, so let's go. I can do it right here. That's all I need. Okay, that's all I need. I'll go big B, and big B, little b, like that. So this is parent 1 with the double dominant. That's dominant brown. And this is parent 2 with the heterozygous brown. So 1 dominant, 1 recessive. And so with my little box here, I'm going to bring this one down, and I'll bring this one over, and I'll bring this one down, and I'll bring this one over. Do you see how it's kind of like playing the game of Battleship, where you have to look at this one and see where they meet? So I'll bring my capital B down here, and I'll bring my little b over. So this one's a big B, little b. And then I'll do the same thing here. Big B comes down, little b comes over. Okay, so now I have all 4 potential offspring from these 2 parents. So I've listed the offspring genotypes right here, but let's go ahead and do it again. I've got big B, big B, big B, big B, so that's these 2. Then I've got big B, little b, so that's this one, so I've done 1, 2, 3, and now last one, big B, little b. Okay, so those are all 4 potential genotypes for the offsprings. Now let's talk about phenotypes. This one is going to be brown, right? Because big B is present. This one is going to be brown. This one is going to be brown because there's a big B present, and this one's going to be brown. They're all going to be brown because big B is present. So there will be no tan offspring for these 2 parents with this example. Now, you may find that if these were 2 heterozygous brown, that might not be the case, and you're going to find out more as you go through today's worksheet. Have fun, guys!